Hi guys, welcome to Twitter's funny channel. Today I am going to teach point of sale system step by step part 28 tutorial. In our last tutorial we studied up to this concept. Okay, now let me moving to the connection new class. Okay, let me see how to access this class. Okay, here let me remove this one. Okay, now what I'm going to do is here I'm going to create the separate class of this program. Okay, so how to create the separate classes here? These are called as forms. Okay, now what I going to do is I'm going to create the separate class. Okay, separate class how to create is click on the project which is a point of sale system, this one, point of sales, this one, right click, add at the here, this one, at the last you can see, notice that there will be the class. Okay, you just click on this and here you can give the class name. Here I'm going to give the class name as a connection, con new. This will be the class name. You can give any name of the class name here related to your project. Here click at. Okay, here this will be the class name. Okay, here what is the purpose of creating your own class? Mean you created the variable and connection once of this class and you can access anywhere of the form. That is the purpose of this, creating the separate class of the system. Okay, again I tell you, once create the class you can access these variables and connection each and every form. Okay, you no need to write again connection here you notice that here this form, you notice that here login. Okay, here you made the connection first, this form. Okay, each and every form you have made the connection here, this form also at the above you made the connection here. Okay, here if you create the separate class you don't need to write the connection each and every form. You write once and call the object. Okay, then it automatically the connection will be accessed from this class. Okay, that is the purpose of creating your own class at the program. Okay, it is very easy way to write the program. It is very efficient way to write the program also. You write the class once, you can access any methods and connection from this class to any forms of the programs. Okay, you can access form 1 or else form 2, form 3 or whatever if it is, you can access from this connection new class. That is the purpose of this. Okay, here I already create these variables. I just copy all the stuff, Control A, select all and copy, and I paste in within the class. Okay, here before I'm going to the namespace, I'm going to write MySQL. This is the relevant namespace you have to write above. Okay, I explained this one my previous tutorials. What is the namespace of this? What is the purpose we are writing above this one? These are called as namespace. Okay, these are called as class. Okay, without this namespace we are not accessing these classes, MySQL classes and everything. Okay, I explained deeply my previous tutorial. We are not aware about this stuff, you go out to my previous tutorial and study and come. Okay, here notice that I created one static public variable which is a MySQL connection. This is a this one is object equal new connection. Here this is the connection. The same thing I wrote here. This is the same thing I here put here, static. Okay, after that MySQL command I write this is the common for all over the form. This is the common for all of the form. Okay, this will be there. What is the difference between is here, this one will be common for this only this form. Okay, this will be common for only this form. You can get this, you can access this connection only this form only, login form only. The form 2 you can't access this connection to the form 2 because this is only use of accessing this class only. Okay, if you access this variable to another class, it's getting error. Okay, so I wrote again, so that I'm going to again I am creating the same class, the same connection to my another form also. Okay, if you write like this, you write once. This is if you created the own class and write this coding, this is common for all over the forms, form 1, form 2, form 3, all over the form. Okay, you write once and you can access anywhere of the form, each and every form you can access. Okay, let me see how to do this one. After that I wrote one MySQL command. After that I wrote one SQL data reader command. Okay, what is the purpose of data reader is we can read each and every row from the data base tables. Each and every form, every column and row, it will be read, so that this is the purpose of creating the MySQL data reader class. Okay, after that I created one method which is a static method void, which is name is called as db search, and I pass one parameter, string parameter, which is string. This is a blank parameter which is a string txt. Okay, here this will be this is the static, this method public static void search. This will be the method name db search. This will be the blank method which is a string. This is called as parameter. Parameter is method. Okay, if when you write in the method, if you write the method like this, db search, this will be the blank method. Okay, this if you called as the method within the method within the variable here like this, something like this, it's called as parameterized variable, parameterized method. Okay, it's called as parameterized method. This will be as a parameter, right? You can have a number of parameters passed here, put comma and number of parameters you can pass here. Okay, that is your wish. I pass one parameter here which name is txt. It is database will be string. Okay, within the method here, its method is starting here. I closed here. I put one con dot close. First time I close the connection. After that pscmd dot connection dot equal to con mean this connection. Okay, cmd mean this MySQL command. Okay, I just write the blank statement here. Okay, this connection I give here. This command I give the connection here. Okay, this is a MySQL command which is a cmd here dot connection equal to this. If you pass the object here, the connection automatically this connection will be coming to this command. Okay, after that what I did is post cmd dot command tx equal txt mean this txt mean this txt is called as this txt. After that con dot open mean. Okay, let me moving to our coding part. I explain what is. Okay, let me go back to our sales form here. This one here, after the creating variables here, this will be my connection new. I am going to calling this class. So how to call this one is here. First, what is the name of that class? conn. Here if you type first two letters here like this, conn, here this class name will be pop up like this. From the drop down you select this the name, you just double click on this and press dot, click the dot key. After that you can select the appropriate method, which method you are going to calling from this class. Okay, in this class, go back to this class, there are a lot of methods. This class consists of two methods. One is a search, another one is update. In which method you are going to call? in this sales. Okay, so this one for searching the record, so dot search. Within the parameterize here, put t. Okay, t, what is the meaning by this is, I just delete them here. What is the t mean? T mean is here, go back to our connection new class here. The t mean, this will be the blank parameter. This will be the blank parameter. If you pass here the sales mean sales form connection dot, you are calling the method which is a db search. Within the method you put t mean this variable you call into this within this parameterized method here. So what happen is all the query will be available in this method. You are putting this variable to this method, this automatically get this coming to here. This t will be, this will be the blank. Instead of the txt, it's assigned t will be the t. What is a t? T will be all the query stuff stored in the t table, which is a select all from products where id select an item number 1. Okay, what are the item you are in here you are selected, this will be the item number will be stored here. Okay, so what happen is here the 1 will be coming here, 1 mean here this one. What is the product number you are entering that data grid view, the item number will be passing to t variable, the same value coming to here and pass into this string here. Okay, here in this parameterize. Okay, so after that the remaining stuff will be executed. First con.close, after that setting the connection, this will be the connection. After that cmd.txt.equal txt mean this, what is the query here, what is the query here, the same query, the t query, the same query you are going to insert here. Okay, this will be some blank method I wrote here. Okay, if you write some method and creating the variable like this, I wrote some blank method here, whatever you can access in this method. Okay, you wrote once a time of the class and you can reuse anywhere of the program, so that you write this method once, you can call any kind of form in this list. Okay, form 1 you can call this method, form 2 you can call this method, whatever you can call this method in this program. Okay, so this will be the blank one, so t will be passed here. After that the connection will be equal into this one. After the cmd dot command text equal txt mean whatever here you pass t, this query will be passed into here. Which query? This query. Okay, the same thing like that here. When adding the record, what I did is you are writing this one here, cmd command text. I didn't write this stuff again by again. Okay, you can write like this, but it is very difficult way, you are write again. Okay, so once you write and you can code, it is very easy stuff to complete the program. So that I wrote once here. Okay, so that here t mean this one, the complete variable whatever is here. After that what happen is here sales, sorry, here the complete query will be here. After that open the connection and dr mean it is this object is relevant to MySQL data reader. This will be the data reader object. I calling the data reader object. It is purpose of reading the each and every row and column in the database. So I call him here and put the command from here, object here dot execute reader. Execute reader mean it is executed in which is the appropriate data from this you entered. All the column will be selected like this. here. If you 1 10 records, 2 10 records mean it's taken the select all from products via the ID, and this ID taken and put into the variable item number here, item number this one. This one is calling to here. This all the queries are passed into the variable t. I put here the t connection dot search mean I'm calling connection class is connection class, calling the method t db search. This method I am calling. This method I am calling here. This is the blank parameterized value, so that the t will be coming here. So that here I pass one parameter here. Parameters vary inside the method here. So the t will be coming here. The string parameters coming here, this class, and do the rest of the part in this coding here like this. It assigning the txt here. After the opening the connection, after the dr.cmd.executor mean it is searching the value. Whatever value you are passing this. The entering this one, it is get the if you pass 1, the if you enter 1 is belongs to which row, the all the data will be displayed like this. If you enter 1 item number 1 here, item number 1, the relevant another field this will be executed. The item number 1 means it belongs to toss 22 TV LED. The name will be displayed here, and quantity and price you enter, the quantity you enter, the price will be displayed, and total. Okay, this is how this I searched here. Okay, after that what I did is here, after that while it is reading connection dot read mean dr mean like this. While I put the while condition, connection new mean this one, dr mean this dr. This dr is coming from the con connection here. This dr will be searching the row by row. Okay, when you enter in the item number, it belongs to which row. Okay, then taken the record and display the record. Okay, so here, okay, the whatever you entered here, it pass into here. After that reading and display the display. Okay, after that I'm displaying like this. I'm creating the variable here, this variable all quantity mean this all quantity. Now the quantity will be, this will be the all quantity of this one, item number 1, all quantity. I entered the all quantity mean this one. Currently the quantity what is available 100 will be the whole quantity. Now ID number 1, all quantity will be 100. Okay, now when you are adding the record, it will be updated, it will be reduce the quantity. Okay, it will be reduce the quantity. Okay, if you are purchased 10 item from this TV, so the quantity will be reduced, and the final quantity total will be what 90 will be updated. Okay, so that I created two variables. One is old quantity, another one is a new quantity. Old quantity here, this one I passing to this read dr5 mean this one. Go to the database here. In the database con.dr, this reading, keep on reading the rows and columns. If you have put while loop here, 0 position, 1 position, 2 position, 3 position, 4 position, 5 fifth position. Fifth option will be the quantity. It's relevant to quantity, so that I put the item number here, the column number here will be 5. Okay, or else you can if you are very confusing about the number, you can enter the if you like, you can enter the quantity, sorry, column name also. Within the double single quotation, you can enter the column name also. both are applicable. Okay, that is your wish. Single quotation, double quotation, it's appropriate. Okay, so here perfect. Okay, whatever your wish. If you are confusing about the number, you can within this here you can pass the name of the column. Okay, if it is quantity, you can pass here. If you want to search price, you can pass here, whatever if it is. Okay, now I am getting the quantity. The whole quantity you are getting from here. What is the quantity? 100 will be stored here. This is the whole quantity. Okay, once you enter the number, it's searching what is the whole quantity available. 100 will be the whole quantity, passing to the variable which is the whole quantity. After that, I am getting the variable which is a new quantity here, equal. This will be the whole quantity here. This will be the whole quantity. Here, if you write the whole quantity like this, you can't write like this. Okay, because I am going to multiply, I am going to calculate something else, so that when you are calculating in C#, you can't calculate directly, so you must convert them, so that I put the in dot pass method, so that you can calculate. Okay. Okay. Okay, perfect. What I am going to do is after that, minus whole quantity, mean this whole quantity, minus here int dot pass item quantity. This is coming from this entity, item quantity is coming from here. Which one? Item quantity data grid view, like this. Here see carefully, 10 items. After that I am going to second item will be 10. Okay, I bought item number 1 and 2. For each brand I bought 10 quantities. Okay, this will be the final total. Here notice that now this will be the quantity I am entering here, so that the quantity number will be, go back to our coding view here, this will be data grid view cell 3. Cell 3 means 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, whatever you enter here, this is passed into this item quantity here. So your all quantity will be, it is getting 100 will be displayed here. So 100 minus this quantity 10, so that the it is subtract, under subtract 10, total will be what? New quantity will be what? 90. Okay, that is the thing I did here. Okay, I hope you understood this. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, that is the thing I taught here. Okay, this will be the current, this will be the quantity you enter 10. If it is 5, 5 will be coming here. Okay, whatever quantity you assign here, put here. Okay, this is the thing, it is displayed. First of all, you have to get the whole quantity. What is the whole quantity currently now? After that, you can go for the new quantity. Okay, updation part is the new quantity. Okay, keep in your mind. Okay, after you calculate something else here, the same thing come and store here. Okay, that will be the updation part. You change something else. Okay, here after that it's calculating and put into this variable new quantity. Okay,